Ever wanted to go for an adventurous hike but didn't know where? You are in luck because this is for you. In the western part of Kenya, about 40 kilometers north of Kisumu and east of Nandi Escarpment, lies Kenya's largest tropical rainforest, the KAKAMEGA Forest. The vast land spreads over an estimated area of 138 hectares and is an important catchment area as the Muniu and Yala River flows through it into Lake Victoria. The climate is described as very wet, with a slopy terrain that often has steep-sided river valleys which give the forest its scenic view. Its ecosystem is unique not only nationally but continentally and has attracted a lot of international researchers into the area, this owing to its significant natural habitat for conservation. It currently provides a home for the highest number of forest-dependent bird species in Kenya, making it a top bird-watching destination. Other animals who have found a home in the forest include bush pigs, 27 species of snakes, porcupines, bushbucks, bats, and a variety of primates. There are nature trails in the forest that allow for walking, hiking, and even camping. Getting to the top of a hiking spot will give you a breathtaking view of the rich forest. KAKAMEGA Forest is divided into two separate management schemes. The northern part of the forest, which is the National Reserve, is managed by the Kenya Wildlife Service, while the southern section, which is the Forest Reserve, is run by the Kenya Forest Service. Entry to KAKAMEGA Forest National Reserve is 2,000 shillings per adult and 1,000 shillings per child under 18 years. There is an additional fee of 300 shillings per vehicle. Alternatively, entry to the Forest Reserve costs just 20 shillings per adult and 5 shillings per children and students. With the help of a local guide, you get to have a full experience and learn a lot about the forest's background. One reliable fella is Moses Livasia, who has been guiding KAKAMEGA for 14 years. Moses conducts specialized 5 to 8 a.m. and 5 to 8 p.m. walks for 500 shillings per person. The next time you want to be around nature, pass by KAKAMEGA Forest to experience it at its finest.